How to fix FC26 unable to connect to EA servers on PS5. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you couples of things or resources that you can track for you to fix if you're encountering unable to connect to EA servers on your PS5, specifically on FC26. Now first, before you execute troubleshooting or resetting the network on your PS5, you've got to make sure first that FC26 is online or EA Services is online by tracking their servers. To do so, you can use your mobile device web browser or your PC web browser by typing in EA servers. It should be on the very first result, which is EA server status. Click that. And as you can see, there are a lot of services or games that is built for EA. From here, you've got to make sure that all the services are up and running for EA app and EA Play is currently online. And then for games, make sure that FC26 is online as well, so that if it is offline, you can actually reset your network connection on your PS5. And that's it. That is how you fix FC26 unable to connect to EA servers on PS5.